Today, I'm going to show you how a 17-year-old made $496,341 selling AI services to local businesses, and more importantly, how you can copy the exact strategy. This isn't my story. But after watching how this kid did it, breaking down every step, I realized it's a blueprint anyone can follow. So instead of selling you some vague AI agency dream, I'm giving you a full breakdown of his process, what worked, why it worked, and how you can replicate it. We're talking real proof too. He showed his Stripe accounts. First one, $496,000. Second account, $103,000. Another one, $77,000. And a final one, $66,000. That's not even counting the $250,000 he collected through direct bank transfers and crypto payments. Now, his numbers are impressive, but what really matters is the strategy behind it. That's what this video is about. You're going to see how he did it, step by step, and by the end, you'll know exactly how you can do the same thing. Let's dive in. Section 2. Why local businesses? Most people, when they think of selling AI, aim for the wrong targets. You'll hear advice like, sell AI software to restaurants or go after SaaS companies. But here's the problem. Restaurants don't have money, and SaaS companies already have their own developers. This kid figured out something smarter. He targeted local home service businesses, companies like roofers, HVAC companies, plumbers, electricians, landscapers, remodelers. Why? Simple. Number one, they make serious money. For example, the average roofing job in the United States is worth $99,000. That's one job? These companies have cash to invest. Number two, they're not tech savvy. Unlike SaaS founders, your average roofer isn't sitting around building AI systems. They don't know how, and they don't want to learn. That's where you come in. Number three, there's real demand. These businesses rely on getting leads and booking appointments. If you can help them do that better with AI, they'll happily pay you for it. So while everyone else is busy pitching AI to broke restaurants or software developers who don't need them, he went straight to the businesses that actually have money, need help, are ready to pay for real solutions. That's why this strategy works. Section 3. The offer. What he sold for $10,000. So, what did this kid actually sell to make all that money? It wasn't some complicated AI software or fancy tech product. It was a simple two-part service that solves real problems for local businesses. Part 1. Lead generation. He helped businesses get more leads by running Facebook ads. Nothing crazy. Just basic paid ads targeted to their local area to bring in potential customers. Part 2. Appointment setting. Once those leads came in, he used an AI-powered caller to follow up and book appointments for the business. This was the real magic. No more chasing leads manually. The AI does the follow-up calls, sounds human, and gets people on the business's calendar. That's it. No apps, no dashboards, no coding. Think about it. Local businesses need leads. They need those leads to turn into appointments. If you can handle both of those things for them, they'll happily pay. He packaged this as a done-for-you AI appointment system, sold it for $10,000 upfront, and offered 3 months of support. After the 3 months, he'd charge an ongoing fee, anywhere from $500 to $1,000 per month, depending on the client. Why this offer works? It's tangible. Leads and appointments are what local businesses care about. It's easy to understand, no tech jargon, just more jobs on their calendar. It's high value, high ticket. Businesses know what one closed roofing job is worth, so paying $10,000 for a system that brings in more jobs is a no-brainer. Simple offer. Real value. High price tag. Section 4. How he fulfilled it without doing the work himself. Here's where most people get stuck. Okay, sounds great, but I don't know how to run Facebook ads or build an AI caller. How did he do it? Simple answer. He didn't. He outsourced everything. For Facebook ads, he partnered with a white label marketing agency. One of the main ones he used was called the Stealth Agency. For $600 per month, they handled running the ads, media buying, creating the creatives, connecting everything to the CRM. Basically, they did all the ad work while he focused on selling. For the AI caller, he didn't build it himself. Instead, he used a platform called synflow.com, a tool that lets you create human-sounding AI agents that can make calls and book appointments. But even then, he didn't mess with the tech side. He simply hired an offshore developer on Upwork for about $1,000 to set up the AI caller for each client. So let's look at the costs. Stealth agency, $1,800 for 3 months of service. Upwork developer, $1,000 one-time setup. Total fulfillment cost, $2,800. The profit, selling price, $10,000. Fulfillment cost, $2,800. Profit, $7,200 per client. He didn't run ads himself. He didn't build AI callers himself. He just connected the dots, sold the offer, and outsourced the rest. That's how you scale without getting buried in the work. Section 5, how he got clients. So, how did he actually find these local businesses and turn them into paying clients? He did exactly what he was offering to do for them. He ran Facebook ads for himself. Sounds simple, right? Because it is. But what if you're thinking, I don't have money to run ads? His answer? Get a job. That's literally what he did. He started a pressure washing business at 14 years old, saved up every penny, and reinvested it into launching his AI agency. His message was clear: work a job, stack up $1,000, run ads to get your first client, land one $10,000 deal. Now you've got your first win. Rinse and repeat. How he made his own ads: he used a tool called chatbots. This software lets you create videos with AI-generated spokespersons that look and sound human. He didn't even film himself. He'd write a basic script or use ChatGPT to help, load it into chatbots, pick an AI actor, generate the video, run it as a Facebook ad. No camera, no complicated editing, just smart use of AI tools. Why this works: local businesses don't care if the person on the video is an AI avatar. They care if you can get them results. If your ad speaks to their pain points, more leads, more jobs, they'll click. By doing for himself exactly what he promised to do for clients, he built instant credibility. Spend $1,000 on ads, get one client, make $10,000. That's a 10 times return. Section 6. The funnel. Simple, but effective running ads is only half the battle. The other half is turning those clicks into actual paying clients. Here's how he did it with a simple, no-frills funnel. Step 1. The landing page. When someone clicked on his ad, they were sent to a super basic landing page built in Go High Level. The headline was straightforward: get 20 to 50 booked appointments with our talking AI, or you don't pay.
That's it. Clear benefit, zero fluff. Underneath, there was a simple form asking for full name, email address, phone number. Once they submitted that form, they moved to the next step. Step 2, the video sales letter. After opting in, they were taken to a 5 to 10 minute video, the classic VSL. In this video, he would explain how his AI appointment system works, show how it helps local businesses get leads and booked calls. Keep things simple and clear, no over-explaining tech stuff. Important, he never mentioned pricing here. The goal was just to build interest and get them to book a call. Step 3, book a call. Below the VSL was a big button to schedule an implementation call. Why not call it a sales call? Because no one wants to book a sales call. Implementation call sounds like you're there to help them, not sell them. Once they clicked, they'd see his calendar and pick a time. Step 4, post-booking page. After scheduling, they'd hit a confirmation page. This could have testimonials, more info, or even another short video, just to reinforce why they made a good choice booking the call. Why this funnel works. Simple design, no distractions, no clutter. Clear offer, businesses know exactly what they're getting. No price shock, builds curiosity before talking numbers. Low friction, just fill out a form, watch a short video, and book a call. No fancy tricks, just a clean, effective system that works. Section 7. Follow-ups, emails, texts, and AI callers. Most people won't book a call the first time they hit your funnel. That's normal, but this kid had a system to make sure they didn't slip away. Here's exactly how he followed up. Email nurture sequence. If someone filled out the form but didn't book a call, they were added to a 10-day email sequence. 1 email per day. Each email was short, to the point, and designed to remind them about the offer. Some emails provided more info about AI appointment systems. Others shared success stories or simply asked if they had any questions. It It wasn't spammy, it was about staying on their radar. SMS follow-ups. Text messages worked even better. 2 hours after opting in, they'd get a casual text. Hey, this is this is a name from company. Saw you checked out our AI appointment system. Were you able to find a good time to chat? 2 days later, if no response, they'd get another follow-up linking back to the VSL page. The tone was always conversational, not pushy, just friendly reminders. AI callers to book appointments. If emails and texts didn't get a response, he'd bring out the heavy hitter, AI-powered callers. Built using SimFlow, the AI agent would call the lead. The AI would have a natural conversation, answer basic questions, and help them book a time on the calendar. All of this was automated. It wasn't about chasing people down manually. The AI did the legwork. His golden rule. He had a simple saying, they'll either buy, tell you to go away, or die. Until one of those three things happens, we keep following up. Of course, he kept it respectful. If someone asked to stop being contacted, he'd stop, but until then, the emails, texts, and AI calls kept running. Why this follow-up system works. Multiple touch points. Email, SMS, AI calls. Different channels to get their attention. Automated, he wasn't spending his time following up. Systems did it for him. Stays top of mind. Repeated exposure increases the chance they'll finally book. That's how he squeezed every possible client out of his funnel. Section 8. How he closed deals without cringe sales tactics. All right, so the funnel brought in leads, the follow-ups, emails, texts, AI calls, got him to book a call. But how did he actually close the deals? Here's what he did differently. No weird sales tricks, no fake scarcity, no where do you see yourself in 6 months nonsense. He focused on data and proof, showing real proof, not just promises. Instead of trying to sell the dream, he would walk the client through how AI is helping businesses right now. Show them real data from McKinsey & Company, one of the biggest consulting firms in the world. He'd go to their artificial intelligence insights section and pull up reports, charts, and stats showing how AI boosts revenue, improves efficiency, and cuts costs for companies. This wasn't emotional manipulation. It was a fact. Here's how AI is making businesses more money. Here's why local companies are leaving money on the table without it. Do you want to be part of that opportunity or not? Simple, logical, effective. If a client said, I need to think about it, he'd respond with something like, that's totally fine, but what exactly do you need to think about? The data shows businesses are making more money with AI. Worst case scenario, you get more leads and appointments. Best case, you scale your business. The numbers don't lie. No high pressure closing. Just logic, confidence, and proof. He understood this. Local business owners aren't tech people. They don't read AI reports. But when you show them charts from billion-dollar companies explaining why AI is the future, they listen. It gives you authority by association. He didn't need to be a sales guy. He just showed them data, explained how his system worked, and made it clear how it would help them make more money. That's how he closed deals at $5,000 to $10,000 a pop, consistently. And that's all for today. If you found this video valuable, then make sure you hit the like button, and also don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more of these kinds of videos. Thanks for watching.